Guys, next we'll see the task 4. In the task 4, you can see two routers are connected, two switches are connected, and right side only router switch and devices, and left side it is router switch then access point and two devices. So access point we have placed means it is not wired connection, it is wireless connection. So we need to set some password also. As you know that if you have Wi-Fi network, if you're going to connect means you have to enter some password, right? Okay, so that we have to set inside access point. And also in the PC also we have to find out why any wireless device is there. That is common sense, right? Okay, if we have a device, and if we are seeking if we are searching a Wi-Fi device means we have to enter some password. And also we have to switch on our Wi-Fi, our device Wi-Fi also. We have to search whether any kind of access point is there, then we have to connect in that, right? So that connection and all we will see in the simulation. Okay, so simulation, the time, okay, I'm going to create new one. So new I have clicked. Then next I have to place two routers. Okay, two routers I have placed here. Okay, I have placed here. Then I have to check out that I have to find out that switch, right? Yes, I have to find out the switch. So here switch is there, switch I have placed here. And also again I have to place the switch here. Actually, as you know that here we have switch, then the left side only access point is there, and right side it is having no access point, right? Okay, so here actually I have to find out this is what this is not one, this is hub, right? Okay, I have to remove that. So removing that, we have this tool, so we have removed it as deleter. And after that I have to find out which one is access point. Okay, here wireless device, it is showing wireless device, so I have switch, I have placed it here. Okay, so access point we have received, and I have to place some devices here. I'm going to place some devices here. So you can place 2 or 3 devices. Okay, that is your wish. If in my here also two devices they have placed. Okay, so next I have to add two devices here, but that devices must communicate wireless mode, in wireless mode. Okay, it is not wired, we are not going to give any kind of connection there. So here you want to find out, we have to give a straight wire cable. So it is both are two devices. If you want to, if you don't know, if you think access point and switch is two devices, or different device or same device, if you have no idea means you can place this one. This is automatically choosing type. I am going to use that here and here. Okay, so it will automatically identify which the straight and cross wire cable, and it will communicate correctly. So here we have a switch and router, so I'm going to connect it using straight wire. So here I'm going to connect it using straight wire cable. Okay, I have done that. Then here actually I have straight wire cable here, from here to here actually two different devices. So I'm going to connect it using straight wire cable. Okay, straight through cable, it's straight through cable. Okay, straight wire cable. Okay, so here also you can see that it is straight through cable. I'm going to connect it also. Okay, done, my connection part is over. Then again I have to use the straight through cable. So here I'm going to connect it. Okay, okay, I have connected. Okay, so now wiring has not yet done. I have to give wiring for two routers, that is same devices. So cross wire cable I have to give. So here I have given cross wire cable. Okay, done. So now my one connection is almost done. So I'm going to give a task. It is actually wireless, right? It is wireless connection. So task wireless. Then here actually I have to connect this using some wireless, right? Okay, so before that what we are going to set, we are going to set the IP address. Okay, so here in this diagram itself you can see that IP address range both are different, because okay, both are in different networks, right? Okay, done. Here I'm going to give one kind of IP address. Here I'm going to give here 10.10.10. Okay, as usual previously what we have done, the same thing we can give here 10.1. Okay, and here I'm going to 192.168.20.1. Okay, then here I'm going to use 10.10.10.0. Okay, it is 0, right? It is 0. Yes, here I can give 0. Okay. Here I have to give the same thing. Here I'm going to give 0. Okay, now we are going to set the IP address range here. As usual, the same whatever process you have done before, that the same you have to do here. What are the process you have done? As you know that if you connected that router means it must be the same, right? It must be same. Okay, here also the it must be same. Okay, so we'll see. Here anyway we have to set the RIP routing, and here we have to set the gateway address also. Here what I'm going to give, I'm going to find out the label here. I have to label here first. So it is giga 01, this one is giga 00, right? Yes, giga 00, and this one is giga 0 bar 0, and this one is 01. Okay, done. And here also I had to find out giga 01, and this one is giga 0 bar 0. Okay, here I have to check FA02, FA01 most probably. Yes, FA01 is FA 0 bar 1, FA 0 bar 2, and here also I have to find out this is FA 0 bar for 1. I think it may be 1, 2, yes, 3, yes, FA 0 bar 1, FA 0 bar 2, FA 0 bar 3, FA 0 bar 4. Okay, this is what we have to set first. Okay, now I have labeled it. Next I have to set the IP address range, right? I am going to set here itself. Initially I'm going to set here. So here 00, that is actually there. I am going to give, I have to switch on it first, then I have to give 192.168.10.10. I guess the same thing I'm going to set here. Okay, so here also if I want I can set that is 10 dot, here I can switch on it 10.10.10.1. Okay, done. Then here I'm going to set 192.168.10.1, 192.168.10.10. Okay, done. And here I'm going to set 192.168.10.2, 192.168.10.10. Okay, I set IP address. Okay, so here I can, if you want you can give here, else not required here. Why? Because it is just a labeling only. If you labeled means it will not set the IP address. You have to set it. You have to go inside and you have to set it. Okay. Here actually I'm going to set giga 01 IP address. Okay, here it is connecting 0 0 0 0, that is connecting inside only. So inside means that is 192.168.20.10. Okay, done. Now we'll check once again. It is 0 0 only. This one is 01. Yes. So here 0 0 0 1, that is connecting. Now I have to switch on it. Then that is 10.10.10.2. Okay, done. Done, man, done. Next I have to set the default gateway here. So for that 192.168.20.1, 192.168.20.10. Done. Done, man, I have done. And then again I have to set 192.168.20.2, 192.168.20.10. Okay, done, man. Again, I'm going to set your desktop 192.168.20.3, 192.168.20.10. Yes, almost done, man. Okay, we have set the IP address. Then next we have to do the RIP. So for that I have to click here, RIP here, and which of the IP address ranges are connected here, 10.10.10.10.10. No, okay, anything if you give it will automatically identify it. Okay, then here 192.168.10.1, if you give 0, if you give it will automatically connect it. Okay, this part is over. Then here again you have to select here and you have to set the RIP here. So here you have to give 10.10.10.10.0. So it will automatically find out, and 192.168.20.0. So it will automatically. Okay, now we have set everything. Okay, but if whatever you are clicking here, you can communicate with. Why? Because you haven't connected your wireless. Okay, so I'm going to set here. Initially you have to check whether it is connected. Yes, it is okay now. And after that, main important thing is you have to go here and you have to find out port 0. Port 0 is switched on, and port 1 you have to check. Okay, here actually the main problem is that here you have to give that WP address, and before that one thing is there. Okay, one more thing is there actually. Physical. Give 1 minute. Yes, one more thing I have to tell you. Before that, I will show you access point. Access point here config you have to find out, and here two ports are there, port 0 and port 1. Port 1, in that case you have to set the WP address, that is the IP address of the cell, that is the password of Wi-Fi. So 123456789 I'm going to set that. Okay, I'm going to close it. Okay, so we have set the password for our Wi-Fi device, and next we have to click here. Okay, so here you can find that here you can find the device here. So here you can find this is actually, this particular point is actually IP address, that IP RJ45 we have to insert there. That is for wired connection, but we are not using wired connection. Instead we are using wireless connection. So you have to remove it. Before that you have to switch on the, we heard that you have to switch off it. So I am switching off it, and after that I have to remove this. Okay, so you have to hold that and you have to place it in this track, so it will get removed. And after that you have to place this WMP 300N, that is actually wireless device, that you have to keep it here, so it will get connected. Now in your PC you have set the Wi-Fi dongle, and after that you have to switch on this. Okay, I have switched on this. Then I have to close this, and the same thing whatever system you have to do that. And here also I'm going to switch off this, and I'm going to come here, and I'm going to remove this wired connection, and I'm going to place this wireless connection. Then I have to switch on this. Okay, now we have done that in two devices. Next, what is our aim is, we have to find out, this is our PC, we have to find out any wireless devices are there that you have to set, you have to find out from here. Yes, this is the PC wireless here. Here I have to find out any devices are available. So I'm refreshing it. Why? Because we already set the IP, we already set the password. So here we can see that this is access point is there. So I'm going to connect it. So it will ask the pass key, that is passphrase, that is 123456789 that only I have set it. Then connect button, so it will get connected, so that you can see the difference. Okay, here this connection, wireless connection has established here. So here link information, you can see that you successfully connected it. Then after that you have to click here, click the second devices, and after that you have to go to that page. So here you can see the PC wireless, and the same process you have to process here. So you can see the access point which is available here, as this access point is available. So you have to give the key here. So this is the key we have set there. So ours you can link information, you can see that this also connected successfully. Okay, so I am going to disconnect that. Okay, I am going to close that. Okay, now you can see that with wireless device, wireless thing has done and wired also done. So here again you have to go inside. So sometimes your IP may be closed. Yes, IP is closed here. So again you have to set the IP once again. So 192 static IP I'm going to set here. And here 192.168.10.10. Okay, why? Because here we are using router, so we have to set the static IP address. So here also I'm going to set the static IP address. Why? Because it got closed. So 192.168.10.2, and also a static IP address, that gateway is 10.10. Okay, done. Now whatever we are doing, okay, I'm going to ping from here to that three devices, three places. I'm going to ping 10.10.10.2. Yes, it is working fine. Okay, then the third network also I had to find out. I had to check 192.168.20.2. Okay, it will take time. Why? Because it has to pass through that router, right? Yes, it is working fine. So again I have to try. Okay, first packet anyway it will not connect. Second packet onwards it will connect. Yes, it is connecting successfully. Okay, though this is what no, wired and wireless connection. If you want, you can set the IP address here. If you don't want, no need to label it. Okay, it's your wish. If you are an expert, then anyway, without labeling itself, you may know about every PC's IP addresses. If you are a network administrator or network engineer, you must need to label it once. If you are a beginner, if you are, once you became expert, means not required, that kind of things not required. Okay, I'm going to winding up the session now. Tomorrow we'll see the next topic. Okay, thank you.